Welcome guys, this is me, you're watching my YouTube channel. So today's video is interesting for you because in this video I will teach you totally tutorial lecture number 1, how to build a Wix website for free in 10 minutes. So this video is very interesting for you. Before starting this video, please subscribe the channel or press the bell icon to get notification on latest videos, because in this video you are able to know how to build a Wix website for free, because you can sell your product online, you can create your online store, and you are able to know everything. So first of all, you'll have to need an email ID and your password. You can sign up with Facebook as well as Google. First of all, you'll have to need an email ID. You can sign up with your email, which is verified, which is present in your mobile phone and your computer especially, and you can confirm your password, and then you can strong password kindly mentioned here, but I'll be blurring that, and then sign up with the Google ID, Google account. Then you can choose for myself, my business, for my client or freelancer agency. First, I'll recommend you if you want to create your business, so kindly select a business and get it started. And then you can, that's mandatory, there's ask a question, so then you'll have to give the answer and click in the start chat. Kindly click here to start a chat, because this is a robot. They will confirm, are you robot, are you human. Then you can click on the start with the chat. So if you start chat, then tell them I am creating a website, Wix website for my business. Then it will allow you to create your business Wix website. And then you can click on the link below. You can see here the question is very right, so you are able to know for, and it's your task, you watch to create, you want to UX website for which category. So I create my e-commerce store, and then I click on the e-commerce store and then click the continue button. And then your dashboard is being prepared. It's loading, so it will take us so much time. You can wait for a while. Then your dashboard has been completed, has been created manually, and then you will have to add your data. You can click here the connected domain. You can buy a domain for a year, for 3 years, for 2 years, for 6 months, but a year only you can enter your domain name, your website name, for example Waseem Sajjad AUB, and then I click the continue button. Then your online store, you customize your health, your store's needs. Then you already know I don't have an online store, which you can click here, and then you can product a physical product you can sell out, and this store we will sell out this store, the physical product, and then click this button, and then online create website. So you can continue this button, and then you are all set and continue to the dashboard. And your dashboard is being prepared. It may take a lot of time, but it's short. Now your website builder is too fast, is going on. You can upgrade your website, you can add your theme, you can add your colors, add your design according to your choice, and then enter here your domain name. Let's go start. You click on the let's go, and let's go. You can click right now. Waseem Sajjad AUB. Yes, it's labor back yours. If you want to buy this domain, you can buy. You'll have to upgrade your account, and then I think it's for 150 million users across the world also here who are working on the Wix website and selling their product on this website and this domain, and they're creating their online store using your WIX website. And then I highly recommend you can come on the WIX website and open your online store on this platform, and this website is very good. And you can create from, you are from Pakistan, so you can create from the Pakistan. You can select your payment method, the cash on delivery, and manually you can connect your payment method, for what your payment is going to be received on cash on delivery or an online process or an cash condition. So you can select your method right now, and then I think it's take my time, but I recommend you the cash on delivery is very good option for you, because cash on delivery and online system is also over here, as you can uh, contact connect this payment method to your website, and then you'll have to enter something description according to your payment method, so then you can make your manual payment, and then you can enter your description according to your payment method and cash on delivery, offline payment, cash payment, and manual payment. You can select one from these categories and these buttons, and you can enter your description how you can check out your manufacturers, your instruction according to your payment, how you can pay your payment of this product which you want to buy from this website, from this online store. You can connect your payment method, and I think it's very easy according to your rules and regulation, according to your account, according to your location. You can set out your payment method. Where do you want to, where do you live in this country, like Pakistan, USA, America, or Canada? Then you can select your method, your payment method, cash on delivery, cash on, can we enter your description, and you have to complete your 7 steps according to your website, how you can set your payment, how you can design your website, how you can contact, how you can select your team according to your online store setup, according to your niche, according to your product which are you want to listing on this online store, and kindly mention description in all our product you want to sell on this option. You can setting here, you can see the settings all over here: invoice, man plan, manage your permission, communication, inbox setting, everywhere every setting is available here. Without coding you can set your setting on this online store, because there are a lot of users who are making online store using WIX website, because there are a lot of people in the world, especially from the United States, are selling their product online using this platform. I highly recommended you kindly come on and create your online store on this website and sell out your product and earn a lot of revenue from this website. And you can create your online store and you set your product, and then you click on the design site. You can select here a lot of themes that could generate design with AI or customize a template. You can buy a template with money, and you can buy, you cannot buy, you can get a free templates and designs all over here. Kindly, I highly recommend you kindly select the one design which you want to create your online store, which you want to create your blog, your online store like theme. Kindly select that one which you want to you which want to select that type of a theme, which type of your store is going on to be created. So these are the main themes, and very beautiful themes and designs are available here. You can get free of course, and you can also buy from here, and you can also generate with AI. I think there's a 7 page, the total page will be here: clothing store, especially the cell phones, and a lot of stores designs available here. You can watch on this screen. I think it's very wonderful website developer, online store developer. I think I highly recommend you. I think it's best for me. I like it so much. You can choose your favorite design. If your phone category, then use a phone category. If you want to create your portfolio according to your sport, you can create your sport portfolio and theme. Like if you want to sell your t-shirt, you can t-shirt store, you can do the clothing store, you can choose this one. And if you want to t-shirt store, you can choose this one, but I will choose, I think, this one, the cell phone accessories store. I want to create on this website because I want to sell the mobile phone accessories. And you can see here, if you look like on the desktop in your laptop screen, and what kind of what can they look like on your mobile phone. There's a lot of designs and themes, and you can edit it very easily. I think it's edited very easy. I'm product, and you can list your product, your price, you can color, you can choose your name of that product, you can edit, and this section which is going on. So this video and next video I'll cover totally things, and you can see here. And I highly recommend you kindly watch my second video, kindly must watch, and watch full discards. You are able to know how to create a website totally, and this is the first step which I have clear in this one video. So next